So today we are going to find the resultant amplitude. That is R. Okay, you know very well x equals to what? X equals to, last time we get R sine omega t plus delta, and for that we are consider that is R cos delta equals to A1 cos phi 1 plus A2 cos phi 2, and R sin delta equals to, we consider that A1 sin phi 1 plus A2 sin phi 2. Okay, that is R cos delta equals to A1 cos phi 1 plus A2 cos phi 2, and R sin delta equals to A1 sin phi 1 plus A2 sin phi 2. So by using these two equations, this is suppose equation 1 and this is suppose equation 2. So by using these two equations, today we are going to find out the resultant amplitude, that is this expression or of the R. Okay, so for that we have to square this equation 1 and equation 2, and after that we have to add that equation. So as we are squaring and adding this equation, what will we get? That is R square cos square delta. We are squaring these two equation, equation 1 and equation 2, and after squaring these two equation we are adding that two equation. Okay, so R square cos square delta equals to, what will we get here? R square sin cos square delta equals to, that is A1 cos phi 1 plus A2 cos phi 2 whole square. Okay, so that is nothing but the we are applying here the formula of A plus B whole square, that is A square plus twice AB plus B square. Okay, so here A1 square cos square phi 1 plus A2 square cos square phi 2 plus A1 A2 cos phi 1 into cos phi 2. Okay, that is A square plus B square plus, sorry, twice A1 A2 cos phi 1 into phi. Similarly, we are again going to square this equation number 2, that is R square sin square delta equals to, okay, that is A1 square sin square phi 1, we are doing here directly, okay, plus A2 square sin square phi 2 plus twice A1 A2, what will here get? Sin phi 1 into sin phi 2. So this is the equation for R sin square delta. Now we have to add this equation, this R cos square delta, and this is the R sin square. So in the left hand side, what will we get? Take out R square common. This is cos square delta plus that is sin square delta. जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की टर्म है वहां से हमने ये आर स्क्वायर को कॉमन निकाला, फिर क्या रह गया? कॉस स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे क्या रह गया? साइन स्क्वायर डेल्टा. तो ये दोनों टर्म की हमने एडिशन की, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू, भी राइट हैंड साइड में क्या होगा? राइट हैंड साइड में ये जो a1 स्क्वायर है, टेक आउट दिस a1 स्क्वायर कॉमन इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, दैट इज कॉस स्क्वायर phi 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर phi 1. okay, plus again take out a2 square common, cos square phi 2 plus sin square phi 2 plus b in this equation twice a1 a2 take out common inside the bracket, that is cos phi 1 into cos phi 2 plus sin phi 1 into sin phi. Okay, now see the left term in the left hand side. inside the bracket shows, ये क्या शो कर रहा है? This is the formula for sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to identity, that is the 1. Okay, so it is what? R square sin square delta plus cos square delta, मतलब sin square theta, theta की जगह यहाँ पे क्या है? डेल्टा, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is identity 1. So here also sin square delta plus cos square delta is equals to 1. So 1 into r square, that is again the r square. Similarly here cos square 5 plus sin square 5, that is 1. 1 into a square, that is equals to, again this is a1 square. Plus similarly here we get, that is the a2 square. Now this is plus twice a1 a2. Now see here cos phi 1 into cos phi 2 plus sin phi 1 sin phi 2. This is the formula for what? That is the cos phi 1 minus phi 2. किसका फॉर्मूला है? That is the formula for the cos phi 1 minus phi 2. मतलब this is the formula for cos phi 1 minus phi 2. So here we are writing, that is cos phi 1 minus phi 2. So r square equals to, we get, that is a1 square plus a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 cos phi 1 minus phi 2. What we have to find? Here we have to find the r. So as we have to find r, here we are taking the square root. So square root of r square is the r, and this whole term in the right hand side will be again inside the square root, that is the square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 cos of phi 1 minus phi 2. So this is the required expression for the resultant amplitude. That is what? R equals to root of a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 cos of phi. Okay, and now we are finding the delta. Delta is what? The initial phase. So initial phase also we are finding from these two terms, that is the r cos delta and the r sin delta. Now to find the initial phase, that is the delta, what we have to do here? We have to do divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 को क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है इससे, इक्वेशन 1 से, मतलब r sin delta upon r cos delta, that is r sin delta upon r cos delta equals to, here a1 sin phi 1 plus a2 sin phi 2 upon a1 cos phi 1 plus a2 cos phi. R will be cancelled. Sin upon cos, that is the tan of delta, that is equals to, again a1 sin phi 1 plus a2 sin phi 2 upon a1 cos phi 1 plus a2 cos phi 2. What we have to find out? We have to find out delta. So delta equals to, we get, that is the tan inverse of this term, that is a1 sin phi 1 plus a2 sin phi 2 upon a1 cos phi 1 plus a2 cos phi 2. Okay, these two formulas are important for solving the numericals. That is, resultant amplitude R is given by root of a1 square plus a2 square twice a1 a2 cos of phi 1 minus phi 2, and initial phase delta equals to tan inverse of a1 sin phi 1 plus a2 sin phi 2 upon a1 cos phi 1 plus a2 cos phi 2.